Boy. Hey, what are you guys doing this weekend? Friend 1. I'm thinking of going to the beach. The weather should be nice, so it should be a good time. Friend 2. I'm planning to go hiking. I've been wanting to get outside and explore some new trails. Friend 3. I'll probably just stay in and relax. I've had a busy week, so I think I'll just chill at home. Boy. Oh, that sounds nice. I'm thinking of going to the park with my family on Saturday. Maybe check out a concert on Sunday. Friend 1. That sounds cool. What kind of concert is it? Boy. It's a local band playing some indie music. I've heard they're pretty good. I thought it would be fun to check it out. Friend 2. Nice, I like indie music. What time is it? Boy. I think the concert starts at 7 p.m. It's at the local theater downtown. Friend 3. That sounds fun, but I'm still not sure about going out. I might just stick with my plan to relax. Boy. No worries. I understand. Anyone want to join me at the park on Sunday, though? It'll be fun to walk around and maybe have a picnic. Friend 1. I'd love to, but I think I'll be going hiking on Sunday instead. I really want to try out this new trail I found. Boy. Yeah, hiking sounds good too. Maybe we can do the park thing on Saturday instead? Friend 2. I'd prefer hiking too, but the park sounds fun. I think we can make both work. Friend 3. What if we all go somewhere else? There's this cool event in the nearby town on Saturday. They have a food festival and live music. I think it would be awesome. Boy. Oh, that sounds interesting. When is it? Friend 3. It's happening all day Saturday, actually. We could head over in the afternoon, check out the food and music, and then maybe do something else later in the evening. Friend 1. That sounds like a good idea. I could still go hiking later in the day, but I'm up for checking out the festival first. Boy, I'm up for it too. It could be a fun change of pace. Maybe we can try some new food? Friend 2. Yeah, food festivals are always so fun. I'm definitely in. Friend 3. Great. We could meet up around 2 p.m. on Saturday, and then we can explore the festival. After that, we can decide what to do next. Boy, that works for me. After the festival, we can either head back or maybe go to the park if it's still nice out. Friend 1, I think that sounds good. We'll see how the weather is by then. I could go for a nice walk after the festival. Boy, speaking of the weather, I hope it's sunny on Saturday. It would be perfect for being outdoors. Friend 2, yeah, I agree. Good weather makes everything better. I really hope it's nice for the festival and maybe for a walk afterward. Friend 3. I hope so too. I checked the weather on my phone. It looks like Saturday will be sunny, but Sunday might be cloudy and rainy. Boy. Oh no, Sunday's weather doesn't sound great. Maybe I'll have to rethink the concert if it rains. Friend 1. That's a bummer. I was hoping for nice weather for hiking on Sunday. I guess we'll have to keep an eye on the forecast. Boy. Yeah, we can always change our plans depending on the weather. If it's rainy on Sunday, we could do something indoors instead. Friend 2. That's true. We can always watch a movie or go bowling if it rains. I'm sure we can figure something out. Friend 3. I'm checking the forecast again. It says Saturday should be perfect though, so I think we're good for the festival. I'll just bring a jacket in case it gets a little chilly. Boy, good idea. I'll bring my camera to take some pictures at the event. It'll be fun to capture some memories. Friend 1. I'll bring some snacks too. Festivals always have a lot of food, but it's good to have some backup. Boy, I love that idea. We can have a little picnic afterward if we decide to go to the park. Friend 2. I'm really excited for the weekend now. I've been looking forward to something fun, and this festival sounds like the perfect start. Friend 3. Yeah, I can't wait either. It'll be a nice change of pace. We can have a great day together, and if the weather holds up, we can make more plans later. Boy, I agree. This weekend is going to be a lot of fun. I'm glad we're all going to do something together. Friend 1. Me too. It's going to be a great weekend. Can't wait to see you all on Saturday. Boy, same here. Let's make sure we're all ready to go. I'll text everyone on Saturday morning to confirm the plans. Friend 2. Sounds good. Let me know if anything changes. Boy, will do. All right, I'm looking forward to it. See you guys Saturday at 2 p.m. for the festival. Friend 3. Can't wait. It's going to be awesome. Boy, yeah, this weekend is going to be amazing. Boy. Okay, so just to confirm, we're meeting at the park on Sunday at 10 a.m., right? Friend 1. Yes, that's right. I'll be there on time. Boy, great. Is anyone bringing snacks or anything? Friend 2. I can bring some chips and drinks. How about that? Boy, perfect. Thanks. I'll bring some sandwiches. Friend 3. I'll bring a soccer ball if we want to play something. Boy, awesome. Sounds good. Oh, and does anyone need tickets for anything or do we have everything for the day? Friend 1. I'm good. No tickets needed for the park, right? Boy, nope, all free. Just the parking if you're driving. Friend 2. I'll grab some cash for the parking. Boy, great. We're all set then. Friend 3. Wait, I just checked the weather and it looks like it might rain on Sunday. Boy. Oh, really? That's not great. Friend 2. Yeah, I saw that too. Maybe we should rethink the park idea. Boy. What if it rains? Should we move it to Saturday? Friend 1. Saturday's supposed to be sunny, so we could go then. Friend 3. What if we just do something indoors if it rains on Sunday? Like a movie or something? Boy, that's a good idea. We could go to a movie if it's raining. What do you think, Friend 2? I'm okay with that. I've been wanting to see that new action movie. Boy, okay. If the weather's bad, we'll just switch to a movie. Everyone good with that? Friend 1. Sounds good to me. If it's sunny, we'll stick to the park. If it rains, movie it is. Boy. All right, cool. We'll stay flexible then. Boy. So what about the weekends after this one? Got any ideas for what we could do next? Friend 2. I was thinking it might be fun to take a weekend trip somewhere, like a small getaway. Boy. Oh yeah, that sounds great. Any places in mind? Friend 3. How about we go to the mountains? We could do a little hiking and enjoy some fresh air. Friend 1. The mountains would be awesome, but I'd also love to try a new restaurant. I heard there's a cool place downtown. Boy, a restaurant sounds fun too. We could do a weekend trip later and maybe go out for a nice dinner when we get back. Friend 2. That sounds like a good plan. We can decide on the trip later, but the restaurant could be a quick idea for the next weekend. Boy, yeah, we can definitely try that next weekend. What about some other activities? Maybe a game night or bowling? Friend 1. Bowling would be fun. Or maybe an escape room if we want something different. Friend 3. I've always wanted to try an escape room. We should do that sometime. Boy. All right. We've got a lot of ideas for future weekends. A weekend trip, the restaurant, bowling, and an escape room. Plenty to choose from. Friend 2. I'm really looking forward to this weekend now. Boy, same here. Can't wait for Sunday. Hopefully the weather holds up. Friend 1. I'm excited too. It'll be fun no matter what we end up doing. Boy, yeah, for sure. And if we have to switch to the movie, that'll still be a good time. Friend 3. Whatever we do, I'm just happy we're all hanging out. Boy, definitely. I'll remind everyone closer to the date just in case anything changes. Friend 2. Sounds like a plan. I'll see you all on Sunday or Saturday, depending on the weather. Boy. Yeah, I'll text everyone to confirm. It's going to be fun. Friend 1. I'm looking forward to it. See you soon. Boy. All right, it's a date. Can't wait for the weekend. Find the mistake. Incorrect. I'm going to the beach for Saturday. Correct. I'm going to the beach on Saturday. Explanation. On is the correct preposition to use with days of the week. For example, on Saturday, not for. Incorrect. I'll bring some sandwiches and I'll bring to a camera. Correct. I'll bring some sandwiches and I'll also bring a camera. Explanation. Also is the correct word to add here. To is used for similar ideas, but also is preferred when adding another action. 5 vocabulary words. Festival. An event where people gather to enjoy food, music, and activities. Forecast. A prediction or guess about the weather in the future. Flexible. Willing to change plans or adapt to new situations. Getaway. A short trip to a place for relaxation or fun. Escape room. A game where you solve puzzles to escape from a locked room within a certain time. If you want to understand the travel booking process in English, from choosing packages to asking about payment options, click the video here or follow the link in the description.